Guys, welcome back to part 3 of metal engraving with the Silhouette Studio. We're actually going to start engraving now. So there's 2 ways you can engrave. One being you only engrave the outer image. The other being you actually fill the image. With the engraving blade I use is a Silhouette stippling and etching tool. There's other blades out there. This one I found works best for me. So you're going to want to swap out your cut blade for your engraving blade. So what you're going to want to do is go to your settings. I made it an engraving one. Now, for the action, you're going to want it to sketch, not to cut, to sketch. You're going to want to have a speed of 6, a force of 33, and at least 2 passes. You can add more later on. Now, what you're going to want to do is with the image, you're going to want to sketch the image only. You don't want to sketch the outer template, just the image itself. So image, sketch, template, no sketch. And once you're comfortable with that, feel free to send it to your Cameo. This is what it looks like with just the outer edge engraved. And if you want to learn how to fill in the actual image, stay tuned. So, in order to fill in your image, there's a couple ways you can do it. Click out here. You're going to want to go all the way down to this little doodle, which it sketches. Click the image and you have all these to choose from. This is usually just the outer image. You have this image, which is like a box, diagonal, spiral, multi-spiral. I always go for option 2, which is like the box. You can fill it in. The more you minimize the spacing, the tighter the group becomes. So here's what the box would look like. And let's go with the diagonal. And that's what the diagonal will look like. And if you look, you can kind of see a difference, not much, but. And if you feel like filling that in, set same settings and everything, send it to your Silhouette. And this is what it looks like with it all filled in. And this is the final product. I hope you learned and this has helped you. And stay tuned for any more tutorials headed your way.